Hey everyone, in today's lesson I'm going to show you an artificial intelligence tool that creates ultra-realistic avatars. I've already shown a few times that I use it in my YouTube videos that are monetized, and many times it's not me. I create a clone of myself in my office using my original voice, and I could generate that too. So while I'm traveling, which I am right now, I create videos straight from my office, but I use another tool. I'm going to show you both of these tools in today's video, okay? Before we start, you already know, comment down below if you've ever used any video artificial intelligence, okay? I want to know about it, so comment below. And would you like your YouTube channel, for example, to be presented by an avatar, a clone of yourself, or some other ultra-realistic presenter, alright? Today I'm going to talk about a tool called Humva. We're going to do some first impressions of this tool. Just a reminder that I'm doing the first impressions now, and later I'll make a deeper, longer video with more tests. Today I'm going to talk about the tool called Humva. We're going to do some first impressions of this tool here. Just a reminder that I'm doing the first impressions now, and later I'll make a deeper, longer video with more tests. I'm going to leave the link in the description, okay? Well, basically what I wanted to show is that this tool is going to become a competitor to the tool I'm currently using, which is HeyGen, a tool that is one of the best in the world for creating avatars. All right. You're also going to want to check out HeyGen.com. Later, the tool we're talking about today is called Humva.com. Before we start, I wanted to show you the real-time tool from EDM, okay? Because when I show you Humva, you can compare, all right. This is my channel, Maker Academy, focused on artificial intelligence, okay? It's a monetized channel with videos like 394,000, 290,000, 198,000, and 119,000 views. Those are videos that went viral. And now I'm going to show you a video that isn't me. Let me grab a video here. Let's go. Let me grab it. Let me see here. I'm going to grab this video here, for example. I think it's me in this one. You can see that the ad is showing up. It's a monetized channel. I'm going to skip the ad here. And look, it's my voice, but it's not me. Take a look. Let's go see. Starlink, Dynamask, and T-Mobile get approval for regular cell phones to use satellites in disaster areas. Guys, this is just the beginning for your phone to work anywhere in the world with internet. But everything has beginning. Let's go. Have you ever imagined using your smartphone to? So you notice that I'm in my office. It's me. But actually what's happening here? It's a clone of me that makes the gestures just like I'm doing right now. But I chose to record my voice. So I record my voice and put it on my avatar. I could also generate a voice with artificial intelligence. And look how interesting, just like you see the split screen here with me in the little box. There's a point where I also enter the little box. Check it out. Let's watch this quickly. Emergency situations are undoubtedly a powerful tool, especially for those living in areas prone natural disasters. So go ahead and comment below what you think of my avatar. Of course, now I'm talking to you as an avatar, so you're going to see things differently. But people who don't know me, just brush it off. They just brush it off. All my subscribers comment on the video content. No one says, wow, you're acting weird, you're serious, right? So it works really well. HeyGen tool. Highly recommend using it. Now let's go to the Humva tool and take a look at what it offers to the user. Remember, you create your account by signing up with your Gmail account, okay? And you can see there are a lot of avatars here. We're going to check it out. It's mostly speaking in English, but you can choose any language: Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, and so on. Let's look at the realism, the movements, the voice, the setting, and the naturalness. Let's take a look here. These are our first impressions. Let's go.
Keeping wellness in mind is important for recovery and health, especially for skating.
Well, commenting below. Found it very real, very interesting. Let's take a look at this one. Just a reminder, everyone, that with the prompt, you can create the avatar by putting the prompt here as well. It's showing here more than 32 languages: English, Hindi, Portuguese, Chinese, Spanish, French, German. Let's take a look here.
Firing up things in life. We are here to level up your experience.
I found it amazing. My channel is watched in other countries. So take a look at the lip sync, the person talking, words coming out of their mouth, and they're moving their mouth at the same time they speak. Gamers, enough.
Are you perhaps tired of those dull, tedious, and uninteresting updates and lifeless, boring tutorials?
Her eyes are blinking. She's moving her head. It's perfect. I wouldn't know if it's artificial intelligence or not, especially for people who aren't experts in artificial intelligence like I am.
How was your experience? Our videos are built by techies, for techies, full of energy. Pro tips.
Let's take a look at the green screen here too. Why the green screen, Rodrigo? Because then you can put the background later. The editing program, this is called Chroma Key. It will ignore the green. She'll be without a background here. here, you can put any background behind her, which really opens up a lot of possibilities.
Is it a class where complex subjects feel like second nature? Imagine getting the aha moments without the usual struggle.
Super awesome here, everyone. Really cool. Now what we're going to do is show another feature that's possible, which is creating avatars. So when you click here on avatar, right, you have the custom avatars option, which is basically you creating your own model. I created one here, and at the same time, I created my model. You'll see that there's a person here who looks a lot like me. Let's take a look here. Let's go for it.
Let's do this great together. What you're trying, you're in the right place. Let's make this happen.
Rodrigo, how did you create? Basically, I created the image in another artificial intelligence app, and then I brought it here. In this case, I used Leonardo AI and also Flux. I'm going to show Leonardo AI in my deep dive over on my channel, Mestre da AI Tutoriais. But basically, what are you going to do? You're going to come here, for example, to Leonardo AI. Great, you entered Leonardo here. In Leonardo, you're going to create an image. You're going to come here to creation, and for example, you're going to type something like woman working in an office, right? She's wearing professional attire. Cool. So what are you going to do? If you have, it depends on the country you're watching this video from, right? But for example, it's interesting here. Go to Google Translate and put the prompt mainly in English because the tools are made there in the United States. You come here to Leonardo AI. Great. Generate the image here. In this case, you can generate it in both stories format and reels format. Or you can also set it to 16:9, which would be for YouTube. And it will generate the image here. After it generates the image here, what do you have to do? You have to come here to create. I'm going to cover all these steps in another video because it takes a bit longer. These are just the first impressions. And then you just need one image, because what are you going to do? You're going to train the model, and from that trained model, Humva itself will create other scenarios. So you train the model, just one image. You can add other images, and then it will generate these random scenarios. Let's take a look at two more here, and then we'll go my model down below. Go ahead and share your impressions. Let's go.
I just thought
it's really cool, very realistic, this office scenario. You can make video lessons, can make videos for YouTube. Look here, if it's a video for a medical area, for example.
that's great together. What you're trying, in the right. What you're trying, you're in the right.
So it's really interesting here. Now let's take a look at my model. I chose these here as the ones that look most like me. They're not that similar. But just remember that it was created based on an image, right? He took an image of mine that I sent and created these scenarios here. Look at this. Let's do something amazing together.
Whatever you're looking for, you're in the right place. Let's this happen.
I like the woman more. In fact, she looks very similar in all the images. For me, it's because it's really me, right? So I'm a bit more tickle, right? It looks similar, but it's not 100% like Igino. Let's make this wonderful together.
Whatever you're looking for, you're in the right place. Let's make this happen.
Because look, if you check out Agina, let's go into Agina here. It's my avatar, right? Just like the other one, right? And you can create an avatar photo from a picture as well as from a video, right? And I found my avatar here. Interesting than in Humva, right? Of course, you can do other tests, but it turned out really realistic, right?
Let's make this happen together. Whatever you're looking for, you're in the right place.
Now, yes, with so many options for you to generate, with so many avatars, creating your own avatar or creating one for other people, whether it's your own avatar with your image or a totally different person like this one here, for example, that we just created with Leonardo. Look at this. I could take this image here, for example, it's very professional in a suit, in an office environment, bring it here to the AI, go to avatar, set it up to create, upload the image, and done. I'm already setting up and creating my realistic professional avatar. Incredible, isn't it? Guys, with so many possibilities, a variety of avatars, different locations, including green screens, different dimensions for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, different races, white people, black people, Asian people of different ages, young, a bit older, elderly, in different settings, offices, gyms, different clothing styles, more professional outfits, more formal clothes. I was impressed with this tool. I'm going to make another video with a test showing how you create your own avatar and how you edit existing avatars. Comment if you like this quicker video with the first impressions. I really recommend this tool and I'll leave the link in the description. But also make sure to watch the next video where I'll dive even deeper into this content. Just a reminder, this video will be on my channel, Master of AI Tutorials. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. See you later.